Hey guys, today we're going to check out SPELAB, and I'm going to show you an extra 20% off coupon code. So SPELAB is an online website that sells a bunch of auto parts for diesel upgrades and car upgrades. So today I'm going to show you how to get an extra 20% off. So we'll head to the search bar and we'll go to couponcove.co. Or to make it easier, you can just click the link in the description of this video. And once we're here on Coupon Cove, we can search for the SPELAB page. We'll open it up. So we'll check out this top code today, which is 20% off SPELAB. We can click Show Coupon Code, and then click Copy, and then click here to go to the offer page. It brings us right here back to SPELAB, where we can scroll through and find the product that we're looking for. And we'll click Add to Cart. We can click Checkout. And it brings us straight to the checkout, where you can paste in our code that's already copied from Coupon Cove. And click Apply. And then boom, there's an extra 20% off. It's important to know though that these codes are for a limited time, so feel free to head back to Coupon Cove and check out any better offers or updated codes or anything. We're here at Coupon Cove, just making these videos to show you guys we're real people, trying to help you out and give you the best discounts possible. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Thanks guys.